The release of the BPSC 71st Preliminary Exam Admit Card 2025 has just ignited excitement and some anxiety among thousands of aspiring candidates. This crucial document, essential for entry to the Bihar Combined Entrance Examination (CEE) preliminary round, is now available for download. But here's where it gets interesting and somewhat controversial. Because while the admit card opens the gateway to the exam, many candidates might overlook important details that could cost them dearly on test day. On September 6, 2025, the Bihar Public Service Commission officially made the BPSC 71st Prelims Admit Card accessible through its official portals, bpsc.bihar.gov.in and bpsconline.bihar.gov.in. Candidates gearing up to take the preliminary test can log in, download, and print their hall tickets immediately. It's crucial to do this as soon as possible. Since the examination is scheduled for September 13, 2025, this preliminary exam acts as a screening process for the main examination. It consists of 150 objective-type multiple-choice questions that test a wide array of knowledge, all to be answered within 2 hours. Be aware that the test incorporates a penalty system. There is a 1/3 negative marking applied to each incorrect answer. This means guessing blindly could hurt your overall score, a factor many candidates fail to strategize around. Exam center details, such as the center name and code, will be posted later, from September 11, 2025, enabling candidates to plan their logistics. An often missed yet critical step is to ensure you carry not just one, but an additional printed copy of the e-admit card to the exam venue. Upon arrival, candidates must hand this signed copy to the invigilator, a process that safeguards exam integrity. Another point often overlooked is verifying the clarity of the roll number and barcode printed on your admit card before leaving home. Timing is another important aspect. Candidates must arrive at their designated exam hall by 9:30 a.m. and should plan to reach at least 2 hours earlier to avoid last-minute problems. Entry to the exam center will not be permitted after 11 a.m. sharp, so there is no room for tardiness. Notably, Bihar Public Service Commission will not dispatch any physical admit cards via postal services, so relying solely on online downloads is mandatory. Adding a new twist to this year's exam is the increased number of vacancies. The Commission announced an addition of 34 vacancies, boosting the total number to 1,298. This change could impact competition levels. Does this expansion genuinely enhance opportunities, or does it merely reflect shifting recruitment policies? It's an intriguing question for aspirants and observers alike. Here's a step-by-step guide for those ready to secure their hall tickets. Third, head to the official BPSC website at bpsconline.bihar.gov.in. 2. Log into your personal account using your credentials. 3. Locate and click the admit card link corresponding to the 71st preliminary exam. 4. Download your e-admit card and print at least 2 copies. 5. Keep these copies safe and ready for the exam day. Remember, this exam is conducted in a single day and single session, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. on September 13, 2025. Missing this window is not an option. Finally, and this is the part most people miss, after downloading your admit card, double-check every detail carefully. Your name, roll number, exam center information, and barcode must all be legible and accurate. So, what's your take on the negative marking approach or the timing rules? Do they enhance fairness or add extra pressure on candidates? And how about the rise in vacancies? Do you think it will make the competition easier or tougher? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences. These conversations could help future candidates navigate this complex process more effectively. Stay tuned to the latest updates by following the official BPSC portals, and keep this blog handy for more insights and reminders leading up to the exam day.